Skillbyte here. I'm at the 4th points event for the Tennessee Region SCCA Autocross at Twin Fountains Raceway in Middle Tennessee. And we actually just finished running. So I will show you my laps such as they were. Oh, you know, okay, they weren't that bad, but so the first one, the GoPro didn't start, the battery was dead. Second one, GoPro didn't start, SD card was not fully inserted. Apparently when I put the battery in, I must have bumped it. So you just got dash cam video, but here they are. All yours. Thank you, sir. Okay, it wants to oversteer. Fine, gets me around the corner. Come on, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it. Oh, this one just scares me. It really does. So I tend to brake too early and too soft. Bring it, bring it, bring it. This one is really scary. Come on, turn, baby, turn. $49,864. Well, that was better. Try to get it to rotate. Look ahead, look ahead, look ahead. This is what I never do. Speed lost. That's right. Cold tires. $49,789. Oh, you're kidding.
When you're ready, Greg.
No! screw up the run. Ugh. I can't believe I missed the shift and then even messed it up. All right, so what did I do wrong?
Well, there's a couple things I picked up on.
Ah!
So unfortunate.
Cannot believe it.
Overcooked it just a bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a bit. It's easy to do there.
It was that extra weight.
That's what it was. Unbalanced the car. Have fun, Greg.
Turn, turn. Oh, I screwed that one up. .414. So my excuses are, I need more camber, I need less fuel, I need wider tires, I need a faster driver. What? Second place, in novice. Yeah, his times are still way faster than me. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and have fun.